Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down. Now click on Security, tap on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. When you're ready, read the disclaimer, choose Agree, and click on Start at the bottom right corner as well. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions. Now you need to click on Done at the bottom right corner, and when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. As you can see, Face Unlock is now working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my Realme. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!